This is Vicki Walker on behalf of ExpertVillage. I've now sewn the front to the back of my decorative pillow, and I've got some loose threads that I'll get rid of. I will trim the corners so there won't be so much extra fabric when I turn the pillow, just by cutting off just a small triangle on the edges here. I've left a 4-inch opening to give us room to put the filling in, and I will turn it to see just how it looks. That should be just about enough room to get it through. And now we can see how it's going to look before we start putting the filling in. I'll use my scissors to put inside the pillow to stick in the corners to make them be nice and even all the way around. But this gives us an idea of just how our pillow is going to look.